Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So welcome with another video. So I hope you all are doing good. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So if you like this video, guys, don't forget to like and comment for bringing for you beautiful room decoration ideas at a beautiful room decoration. So let's start the video without wasting any time. You can see this picture, you can see beautiful lamps and all, and the wall decoration, beautiful decoration you can see, and the lamp you can see beautiful, and the up wall roof you can see beautiful roof decoration. You can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the down floor very beautiful floor. You can see the sides wall and all beautiful, and the front you can see maybe wall for washing hands and all beautiful. This is also very beautiful. You can see the bed decoration and all beautiful decoration, and the wall decoration, roof decoration beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the wall, you can see white color, and the sides you can see beautiful lamp and all golden color lamp, beautiful lamp, and the mirror you can see the beautiful. This one also very beautiful mirror. You can see the window, you can see outside, beautiful room decoration, brothers. This one also very beautiful. You can see the decoration and all. This one also very beautiful. You can see the up roof and all, very beautiful roof, and the decoration is modern room, very beautiful, very aggressive, looking very good. Also this one also very beautiful room. You can see the side cupboards. You can see, you can keep your books and books, laptop, and anything you can keep in dark color, black color room. This one also in black color room. You can see the sides decoration, the lights and all, beautiful lights, and the up you can see on the floor beautiful lamp, and the black color room wall decoration, silver color, looking very beautiful. It's also looking very beautiful. You can see the up lights and all, and the sides you can see the ring light, very looking very beautiful, and the decoration is very beautiful. It's also very beautiful room decoration. You can see the down, you can see the lights and all, and the wall white color, and the side you can see the beautiful lamp and all, looking very attractive. This one also very beautiful. You can see the up the walls lines, beautiful lines, and the lamp, and the window you can see outside, very beautiful room decor. This one also very beautiful. You can see the bed and the walls and the roof, beautiful decoration they did, attractive decoration. This one also you can see very beautiful. You can see the ring lights and all, and the sides you can see the lights inside the wall, beautiful, looking very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the ring lights, and the up you can see the light, and the side you can see a window for looking outside, beautiful view, and the lamps beautiful looking. This one also very beautiful. You can see the up lights, it is like zigzag light, beautiful light, looking very attractive, very beautiful. The ring light also, the decoration is very beautiful. This one also decoration very beautiful. You can see the lamp and all, and the curtain and all, looking very beautiful. The down floor you can see, this one also very beautiful. You can see the white color theme bed, the chair and all, very beautiful, very good looking, and the window you can see outside. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and comment and share for bringing for a beautiful room decoration and all room decor. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Love you all.